Yeah, so today I'm going to show you the new Samsung fridge. Today's not unboxing, it's already unboxed. This is the new Samsung fridge side by side. As you see, the inside will be exactly the same as the old ones, but what makes a difference between this and the previous model, this is coming with a camera. So the camera will show you what is inside, and it will come with a screen. Screen will show you everything. It has built-in applications on the screen. You can play music. It has calendar, calculators, whatever. So this will be smart. And you want to explain? No problem. Come and explain. so, so you don't want to explain? So no problem. So you can write whatever you want here. Let's see. I love you. So you can leave your loved one a message on the screen, and you can also check whatever is inside whatever items that are in the fridge. All notifications, Wi-Fi. You can play videos, YouTube. Let's go to YouTube and check out. Oh, where's the YouTube? Let's check. You can do the browsing, so it will be like totally smart. And I wanted to try YouTube, so let's go on YouTube. Yes. Okay, come. No problem. No face. So there is YouTube. So you can play any kind of music which you want. So right now we are texting something. And the sound of the music is really wow. The speakers are really wow. So we are going to the indie songs. You can choose that. Yeah. However much maybe our network is kind of slow, but still it will come. Okay, let's try this. And the question, does it play when I open the door or no? So it will still be playing. Yeah, and by the way, yeah, the price is also good. It's like 10,000 dirhams. So how much is that in dollars? I will convert later. And I think the network is a little bit slow. Yeah, you put already? I'll put. So, ladies and gentlemen, once again. So here it will show you the menu, so you can view what's inside. And this is the camera, by the way. So this is what's inside the fridge. The camera just took a picture. As you see, the book is there. So let's try again. I'll put this one. So this is the last picture I took. So the thing is there. I just changed it. Now you're seeing that it's there. And so these are all like menu, Spotify, everything is there. You can just sign into your Spotify. I believe Netflix also you can put. There is Facebook, Twitter, everything. You can do that. There is TuneIn for the radio stations, as you know, and I guess some TV stations. But most importantly, the apps which you are using will be Spotify and this TuneIn and YouTube. So for listening to music, I believe not everyone will put the Netflix here because you might forget and Your food will be burnt. And by the way, this is Esther. Esther, she ran away. So here's your water dispenser. It has ice cubes and crushed ice. Wow, and it's frozen. I put the song to you dance.
I wanna dance.
Okay, so which song do you want to dance?
I wanna dance classical.
I'll put one Kenyan song.
What's Kenyan?
I wanna dance. I wanna dance.
With somebody at the second one.
Which one?
Yeah, that one.
This one?
That one, yeah.
It's a relax. Okay, okay. I'll get the disclaimer. Copyright for the song will not be mine. Is it the same?
Yeah, that one.
The problem is in my YouTube, so they'll break my. Okay, no problem, sir. Your face is showing in my video, okay?
Special guest in the audience tonight, legendary record executive, Mr.
sorry.
Clive Dick.
My voice is gone. What? You start the show tonight. No talking back. I'm your mother.
I don't own the copyright for the song in the background.
What's your name again?
Whitney Elizabeth Houston.
This is a trailer. It's not a song. I put a trailer.
My dream.
Well, let me check for one. Okay. Let me.
It's a classic song.
It's the same.
Maybe we don't have network.
Network is kind of poor, but it's okay. So that sound.